Now, when it comes to talking or writing the speech, numbers is a great rule to have. Numbers numbers and statistics, any sort of data, it really adds that credibility. Say, talking about your own personal story is that emotive part, what captivates people. But if you do not say at the start, all right, so did you know 1 in every 10 people have dyslexia? It kind of adds that proof behind it. Even if you're like, all right, on day 3, I went out and I got 3 chickens. And with those 3 chickens, or I wasn't 100% sure I knew what I was doing, but I decided to do it anyway. People's brains love to latch onto numbers. So in any talk, try and find something which you can add.
Now, to add more filler here, I'm going to give you a couple more numbers to consider. 18, 237, 5,601, 2.6 million, 4, 24, staggering. These are real numbers, all of them. And to follow that up, let's take a look at some graphs. Now, if you take a look at this pie chart, what you're going to see is that the majority far exceeds the minority. Everybody see that? Cool, isn't it? And let's take a look at this bar graph because it shows similarly irrelevant data. Now, I'm doing this because I'd like to make it seem like I've done my homework. If you were, say, watching this on YouTube with the sound off, you might think, okay, this guy knows what he's talking about. But I don't. I'm floundering, panicking, I've got nothing. I'm a total and utter phony. But you know what? I was offered a TED Talk. And damn it, I'm going to see it through.